How to block NSW content on Twitter. So this is a very easy tutorial, and today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix it. All right, so what you have to do firstly is go on Google Chrome or Safari, whatever you have. Now from here, what you have to do is go on twitter.com. Then once you're on twitter.com, what you have to do, you have to sign up. Once you sign into your Twitter account, what you have to do, you have to click on the three dots all the way to your left. Once you click on this, what you have to do is click on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, you have to click on privacy and safety. Once you click on that, you have to go to content UC, the third one, one, two, three. Once you click on that, you have to turn this on. Make sure it's blue. And that's how you block NSW content on Twitter. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below in the description.